don't even know what to call you right now. Do I call you Ada or do I call you Mom?
Uncle, I'm Ada. Look, your mom lives in me, but that doesn't mean I'm not your little cousin. I'm still your little cousin.
The twist is actually much.
Yes, but the main concern now is to get your inheritance.
Look at who's talking about inheritance. I don't think my dad left any inheritance for me.
I willed everything to you, including the company. I have 55% of the company, and I willed it to you when I discovered that I would die soon.
The company you're talking about is going to be sealed in 3 days for the failure of Mr. Chidi to provide the incorporation papers required by FIRS.
I have the papers of incorporation. I saved it in the vault of the State's Bank, together with your will.
Okay.
You have to do an introductory letter and take it to the manager of the bank, together with the reference number that I'll provide for you. And then they'll give you everything that you need.
I don't know how to feel right now. This feels so bad. I just wish you can come back and be with me.
The portal of communication will soon close. Once I'm done with my assignment, I will rest in peace.
Please, can Ada still stay alive with me?
Of course, Ada is here with you and nothing will happen to the both of you.
Okay. Thank you so much for all the things that you've done, the sacrifices, all that you did to uphold me. I don't understand all of these things, the spiritual thing, but then it feels so right.
It's me, Ada, you're talking to. I don't understand anything too.
I'm so glad I have a case that I knew. I'll so steal you from them.
There's no need to steal me from anybody. I am rightfully yours, okay?
Thank the universe for granting me my biggest wish in life. To have a sibling.
I'll always be here, okay? All I need to know now is how my mom, my real mom, died.
That is a lot, but we'll unravel it.
Yes, though stressful.
Yeah. How do you feel?
I'm so sick.
No, sir. I think your vitals are great and all the symptoms are gone. In a couple of days, you will be fine.
Sorry. Doctor, hope everything is fine with my dad.
From the way what it appears like, it's going to be fine.
Young doctor, I am sick. And nobody knows what is wrong with me. This is mysterious sickness.
No.
I'm dying.
No, you don't have to say that because all the symptoms are gone. And I believe that we'll figure out what is really, really wrong with you.
Young doctor, I am dying slowly.
Don't say that. In a couple of days, you start feeling better.
Doctor, are you sure nothing will happen to my dad?
No, nothing will happen to him. The symptoms are gone. So we'll give him time to resuscitate.
Young doctor, I'm dying.
You will die. Okay.
I trusted you with my life, but you ended it.
It's not me. It's Uloma.
Daddy.
It's Uloma, not me.
Daddy, what are you saying?
That particular day, she went for shopping. So when I came back home, she gave me a bag of beverages that you love. And she told me that it was for you, for everything you've been doing for us. I was so happy that she appreciated you. I took you to your house And I gave it to Olaku. I gave it to Olaku.
But you knew along the line.
No. It was just one day it slipped out of her mouth as she laced the beverages with thallium.
Thallium?
Yes.
Thallium is actually the poisonous poison.
Poison?
Yes. Once consumed by a human being, the result is devastating. Thallium is odorless and tasteless, and because of these characteristics, it's very much impossible to detect when consumed by a human being. It is a slow killer. It will start with your nervous system, shut down your lungs, your organs are gone, and the next is death. It is an unstoppable poison.
But do you know why my dad is talking of going? Daddy, why are you talking? I don't understand what he's saying.
Don't worry.
He's
just allow him to talk.
Uzoma. Uzoma. By the time I realized what it was, you were already critically ill. There was nothing I could do to save you.
You decided to live with the person who poisoned me.
Uzoma, she threatened me that if I say a word, she will rope me in because I was the person that took the poison to your house.
I gave you 45% out of the company share. Yet, you and your wife poisoned me. As if that was not enough, you killed my only sister and took her daughter away. You closed the whole family without an iota of conscience.
Uzoma masterminded everything. I was just an scapegoat. I cried. I never slept. What a shame. Shame for me.
But they made the payment. You made the transfer.
Yes, I made the payment. She paid a nurse to inject Olaku, a poisonous injection. I wasn't part of it. It was all her plan. Yes. Yeah.
What if someone is able to provide all the papers of incorporation to the FIRS? Would your trouble go away?
That's all that you need to keep them away.
And again, what if Mrs. Uzoma actually had an heir and she willed, there is a will to show that she actually willed everything to her heir before she died? What would the situation be like?
First and foremost, I need you to know that my client is not a fake owner of the business. He owns 45%, and that is something. So, we go back to the agreement of 55% to the heir of Mrs. Uzoma and 45% to my client.
In that case, what if that your client was involved in an illegal business with and within the business? That means he's going to lose the whole business.
That's correct. Even if he has done anything illegal within the business, do you have a proof? If you don't have a proof, then it's void.
What if there is a video recording of your client making a confession that he murdered Mrs. Osama to own the whole business with the collaboration of his wife, what will be his fate?
Listen, he will not only lose the company, but he will also rot in jail.
Okay.
But wait a minute. Why are you consulting me against my client?
I am the son of Mrs. Uzoma, whom your client and the wife murdered in cold blood.
What did you just say?
I have a video recording of his confession to the murdering of my mother. And I have one thing to ask you. Please, would you be my lawyer?
I don't have the face to look at both of you. I have made peace with my God. All I ask for is your forgiveness. I killed your both mothers because of greed. And these were women that trusted me with their lives.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Olina, I can't watch you take over the company.
Are you okay?
And you are there. I will be your worst nightmare. I just want to go and make peace with my God.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
I took cyanide.
What's a cyanide?
Cyanide is actually the fastest killing poison in the world. Don't touch me. Go. I don't want your fingerprints on her. There's nothing you can do about it. Within minutes, she's gonna give up. Just minutes. I need to call an ambulance.
Congratulations, Obina. The game is over. Everything is now yours. I have been able to put this new management together for the company to run effectively until you decide to step in.
Thank you, Barrister. But I still have one more request to make.
Which is?
I'd like the name of Ada to be included as one of the business owners with Corporate Affairs Commission.
Consider it done. And
Thank you.
talking about Ada, well, this mansion has been willed to you and some other properties.
About this mansion, I think you should just sell it. And then we'll use the money to, we'll give it to the orphanage and the helpless people. I don't want to live here anymore. I want to live with my uncle.
Really? Well, what do you have to say, Doc?
I think she has made an incredible decision and we'll stand by it. This place has a whole lot of negative emotions surrounding it, so it could be traumatizing to her. I think we'll stand by the decision. And I want to use this opportunity to thank you extensively and express our gratitude. Your involvement, your help, how you rallied around to make it possible. We really do appreciate you, sir.
You're welcome. We'll keep doing our best.
Uncle, good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Breakfast is ready, so come and eat.
Oh, Ada, sorry for the troubles, okay? I'm actually near the hospital right now. Lives ought to be saved.
Come on, it's just bread and tea. Have a bite.
This will take a minute or two, and in the medical field, every second actually does count, okay?
Okay, you know what? What do I make for dinner?
Ada, anything you make for dinner is good. I'll finish the pot of food, I promise you, okay?
Jesus Christ, my uncle's a whole lot. I wonder how his wife will be so angry when he says, I need to save your life at the hospital. So what am I going to do now? I just pray he doesn't get hungry in the hospital while working, while saving a life. Oh, welcome, Uncle. Uncle, welcome.
Ada, you're still awake.
Yes, I wanted to be sure you're home before I go to bed.
Ada, how many times would I tell you that once it's late and I am not back, you go to sleep? You need at least 8 hours of sleep. You cannot be starving yourself from sleep because your uncle works in the hospital. Lock up the house and go to bed. I have the spare key.
I know. But it wasn't like this before, Sometimes you work in the morning, sometimes you work in the night, but now you work every time. Why?
Let's say maybe people are getting sick in this country. Come off it, I was just kidding.
Okay.
Look, I'm the only surgeon in the hospital at the moment. My colleague, Dr. Cletus, actually has relocated to Canada with the family. The Canadian government gave him a very mouth-watering offer, so off he went.
Yes.
So the workload is quite huge on me.
Brain drain, I guess.
You get the point. The Western countries have been able to modify their system where they have very beautiful medical scheme for the health workers. So off they go.
Okay, can I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
How about these Western countries
Okay.
offer you something wonderful? You understand? Would you go?
And who says that they've not offered me something wonderful?
They've offered you something before.
Ranging from the US to Europe,
Oh my God.
Asia, but nah, I'm not interested. Ada, your uncle is the best neurosurgeon in this country at the moment.
So,
I am not interested.
seriously?
Yes.
Look, these people will give you plenty money, like you earn a lot from this job.
So what happens to this 7-year-old boy who was battling with life this morning? You needed to see the innocence in his eyes. You needed to see how much he was dwindling towards darkness. The mother, hopeless and helpless. Tears, and she was crying, thinking she was going to lose her child. Until I was able to resuscitate this boy You needed to see the blossominess in his eyes. I look at that and I saw hope for survival. So if I japa out of this country, what will be their hope? These hands are meant to save people. Africa will lie in waste. Life is about helping humanity. It's not about the money all the time.
Oh, I get.
If I go to Japan, will I become the richest man in the world? No. But then, what is most crucial is that humanity survives.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah. You get the point now?
Yes, I do.
Let me make you a promise. Look, come here. So, this week, you have your uncle. Alright?
You promise?
We'll go to the back, we'll play with Jay.
Wait. You promise? Because you're always like, I have a life to save and this and that. So you're always running off to the office. So you really will stay with me this week?
Yes, I will stay with you on one condition.
And what's that?
That people don't get sick.
No, I pray nobody will get sick this week. Everybody will be healthy.
Yeah. The son of man is hungry. Did you make anything?
Guess what I made?
Tell me about it.
Coconut rice. So let me get you.
Alright? Let me freshen up.
Okay. Good morning.
Morning. May I come in?
Who do you want to see?
Obina. Oh, sorry. Dr. Obina.
Okay, so does he know about your visit?
Not really, but I came to thank him for saving my son's life yesterday.
Oh, are you the mother of that 7-year-old boy?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, his name is Junior.
Oh, hope he's doing well.
Perfectly okay now.
Oh, right.
So me.
Good morning, Mrs.
Miss Confidence, sir.
Oh, Miss Confidence.
Yeah.
Hope all is well.
Everything is okay. Actually, I came to thank you for saving my son's life yesterday.
Miss Confidence, you've thanked me enough. I was just doing my job.
You don't know what you really did for me. Thank you.
Well, all thanks to God Almighty.
Yeah.
All praise to God Almighty. I was only but a vessel that he was using. Alright? So, how is it doing?
He's perfect. He's okay.
Thank God. So, if I may ask, how were you able to get my address?
I ask questions.
Oh, I see. And I'm glad your child is doing well.
Yes. Thanks be to God. You have a beautiful daughter here. Her mom must really be beautiful.
Yeah, her mom was pretty.
Mm-hmm.
She's my daughter. But, my late auntie's daughter.
Oh, that's a pity.
Yeah.
He must really be a good man.
I'm trying my best.
So how about your wife?
Hey, for the records, I'm single.
I'm not searching.
I'm not definitely searching.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
She's gone, right?
Yeah, she is.
Oh.
So tell me, what do you really think about her?
Nothing.
Are you kidding me? You of all people not have an opinion, reservations about her?
I don't know. It's just her confidence for me.
Yeah, I think she's got some confidence. That's why she's misconfident.
Exactly. I think she likes you. She just couldn't take her eyes off you.
And whilst she was busy gazing at me, you were also busy looking at her.
Of course, why won't I? I'm a woman, so I know these things.
You,
Of course.
a woman. Ada, you're just 15 years old. Stop thinking
so
yourself a
what?
woman already.
I'm a woman.
I know you will be. But just wait, calm down.
All right. So what do you think about Miss Confidence?
I think she's beautiful. I think she's daring, bold.
Oh.
Maybe intelligent and exposed. Both.
But she has a child. Remember that.
I don't really have a problem with single mothers. Yeah. I do not know the circumstances surrounding her condition and situation, so I'm not in a better place to judge her.
I see.
You know, until I hear her own side of the story.
Wait, so you mean you like this auntie already?
I'd never said I liked her.
But you just said until I hear her story, meaning you desire to hear her story.
AD, that is just semantics.
What is semantics?
I would like to hear her story is different from if the opportunity avails itself, I would listen and maybe be a better judge. I'm not desiring out there to go here. No, hell no.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
You told me about this teenage empowerment program on television, right?
Yeah, let me go watch it alone then.
I have time today. I'm joining you. Yeah, I'm available.
Are you sure you don't have lives to save? Because every single time my uncle has a life to save. Is it that he's saving a dog or a human being?
I know. Lifesaver you. Oh shit. I know I have a life to save. But then today, I'm at home. But let's pray there is no emergency call.
I pray there is no emergency. In fact, nobody will fall. In fact, before I watch this program, I will first of all
Soak your chaplet in water. Looks pretty.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you know I have a thing for flowers. I love flowers a lot.
Uncle?
Yeah?
Don't tell me you're falling for this auntie already.
Who is talking about love? I said I like the flower. Come. Ada, what do you know about love?
Uncle, I might be a teenager, but one thing I know is that this auntie is very desperate. Yes.
And why is she desperate over me?
Come on, Uncle. You are a handsome man. So any woman who sees you would want you. Let's say it this way. You're handsome, you're rich, you are a gentleman, and most importantly, you're single. So you are a complete gentleman, and any woman that sees you would admire you. Yes.
My hype mistress. Oh, shit. I think you've been watching too much movies. You now sound like an old woman.
Uncle, look, very soon, in no time, I will be a full-grown woman.
No contest.
Yes.
I agree 100%. But right now, you're still my little angel that I love so much. So enjoy your... So what do we do with her?
I don't know. I'm a little girl, so how will I know anything about love?
Hey, come on, don't rub that on me. You've been seeing movies. I could use your expertise, your experience, your knowledge on this.
Well, I like her as a person. But what I don't like about her is her desperation.
Could you imagine that she asked me to go on a date with her?
What, Uncle?
Yeah, she wants a date.
She asked you out on a date?
She did.
How's that even possible? That only happens in movies. It's supposed to be the other way around.
You see why I said you're the one who watches movies here, so you know how it happens. So what's the next thing?
Okay, let's see. First of all, the name of this movie is Desperate Chick. How do you see it? So, first of all, I read that she lost control of herself in the letter.
I read my letter.
Come on, you're my uncle. So your property is my property is your property.
Okay, somebody's blackmailing me right now. All right,
You're going to go out on a date with her.
Okay.
But you're going to make it interesting. Be a gentleman. Don't make it boring. Don't go there and start talking about your medical advice, brush your teeth, sleep 8 hours and all that, please. Okay?
Yes, my director.
Even if she's sick, don't give her medications. Just focus on the gentleman and the date you went for.
Okay, Dr. Obina is going to stay at home.
Yes.
This is Obina that is going on a date right now.
Gentleman Obina.
Gentleman Obina.
Yes.
So, no medical jargons.
No.
No sleeping.
Don't even tell her that maybe she has to wear glasses or anything. Don't tell her anything about health.
Okay. Yes, ma.
Even if she needs medication, don't give her.
You're absolutely my executive director right now.
And also your executive producer.
That's tentative.
So let's call the scene.
Okay.
Scene 1, take 1. Gentleman Obina.
Gentleman Obina.
Yes, and Miss Confidence.
And action! Come on, this girl.
Uncle.
You're still awake.
Yes, good evening.
What's keeping you awake?
I was worried. I was waiting for you to come back.
You're a liar. Aproko. You're just waiting for the gist. Just say it already.
All right. I'm waiting for the gist. So, hope you acted the scene 1 well.
Maybe when you hear the full gist, then you grade my performances.
Okay.
Yeah. But then let me go take my bath.
Oh, no. Before you're done with all those, I'll get tired. I don't want to get tired. I want to get the gist as the whole. So, tell me.
Okay. So I got there 15 minutes before the time we agreed on.
Bravo.
Gentlemen. So I didn't order anything. So I waited for her to come.
Good.
So she came a bit late. But when she walked in, she was elegant.
Ooh.
She walked in majestically. I was mesmerized.
Okay.
And she apologized for coming late. She didn't even know that I had forgiven her before she asked. Because, look, she was charming. I was highly enchanted. Now, so she sat down. We got talking. We got gisting about ourselves.
Right.
A little bit about society. Food came later. Then we had red wine. Nothing so much broth, I think. We had a very intense.
Okay. I like that. But let's break the scene down.
Okay.
Hope you stood up when she came in to welcome her.
Why? Why should I stand up?
What? Are you seriously asking me that question?
Like, She asked for a date and she even came late. So why?
Uncle, it doesn't matter. You should learn that you should stand up and welcome your date, no matter who initiated it.
Too much movies. That didn't cross my mind. You've seen a lot of movies.
You should have done it. For the movie's sake. Okay?
Okay. All right. But then let me tell you something.
Okay.
Because I could remember in details that when we were about to leave, after she had made the payment, I hugged her. She didn't. She felt good. There was no bad energy.
Wait. What did you say?
I said I hugged her.
No, not that part. The part about the payment and...
I said, okay, when she made the payment...
She made the payment!
Of course!
And you let her!
Who should have made the payment?
You, of course, you should have been the man. You should have taken the bills.
I should have taken the bills.
Yes.
She initiated a date.
And so
I
what?
obliged the date. I left what I was doing.
God.
Then she paid. It's not a big deal.
Why on earth is this so hard for you to understand?
You see what I'm talking about? You've been seeing too much of African movies.
Too much of African movies. Should have taken the bills because you are the man.
Everywhere in the world, women pay for things. Like, in America, in Europe, everywhere. Like, it's not a big deal.
Unfortunately for you, we are not in America. We're in Africa. She is an African. Most importantly, a Nigerian.
Okay. For the sake of this movie, right?
Yes.
I have messed up, right?
Yes.
I take responsibility.
Good.
Maybe in scene 2 and 3, I pick up the bills and pay, but let me tell you something. I was on my own. She picked up her phone and called me.
It doesn't...
And asked for a date. I obliged my time that I would use to be in the hospital saving lives.
Seriously?
Listen carefully. Now, in that we went for this date, she came late, right? She stood me for some minutes, then paid for the bill, have issues with it. But then, when she called for this date, let's say I didn't have the money to pay or go for that date, should I have turned her down? When you call for a date, which means that you have made out some fund available because I may not have the cash to do it.
Okay.
I'm just being logical here.
Okay, it's okay. You are right to an extent. But for the sake of this movie that I am directing,
okay,
you should have paid the bills.
Good, I've heard for the sake of the movie that you are directing.
Yes.
My director.
Yes.
Next time, maybe I'll pay for the bills.
Not maybe, you will pay for the bills because that's the beauty of the movie.
Okay, maybe I'll try.
No, you're not trying. You will pay for the bills.
Okay, as my director, you give me the money.
What? Who will give who money? You were supposed to pay, like, seriously, you've spoiled the scene one of this movie now.
No, there are a lot of times to make it up. So can I go shower right now? Able director.
Okay, I was just patting you a little bit.
So we got this set, right?
That's scene 1. We'll wait for scene 2.
So cut.
Cut. No, you don't call my shot for me. I call my shot. So whenever I want to say cut, I say cut.
I'm sorry, Ebodi.
In fact, cut.
Is it a wrap for the night? So I can go take my bath.
Yeah, you can go take it back.
Ada.
We're not even a hug. You're just running off to work like that.
I'm sorry. Make sure you be a good girl, okay?
All right.
And the food you made, the breakfast, it was beautiful, amazing.
Thank you.
I enjoyed every bit of it, and it was healthy. You're gradually becoming an intercontinental chef.
All thanks to you, the best uncle in the whole world.
I know, but just don't mention about it. Lest I forget, Jane called that she's coming into town today, so I think by letter today she's gonna be around. Hey, come on, she's not that bad.
But uncle, you know she hates me. She hates me. I don't like her.
She can't hate you. There is nobody on earth that hates you that will have a place in my life. I'm pretty sure Jane knows about that and she cannot hate you.
Okay then. Another drama again.
How do you mean?
Because the drama queen herself is coming. Don't you know that she's a drama queen? The drama queen herself is coming, so that means the drama continues from where it stopped.
So you think she's coming with some drama?
Of course, she always comes with drama, so she's here with more drama. At least we can have a scene 2 to this movie of ours.
No. Look, promise me one thing, that you're going to be calm Even in this scene too, it's going to be a very calm scene and noiseless.
Sorry, Uncle Bina, I want to remember, like I want you to remind me who exactly is the director of this movie.
You are the director.
Thank
no
you.
No dispute. You're the one who watched lots of African movies.
Thank you.
Right? But I am the executive producer. And I am late for work. There are lives that ought to be saved. And as I'm running right now, and you're going to make me a promise that this scene 2 is going to be calm and noiseless. Copy that?
Roger that, executive producer.
I love you.
Love you too. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good evening, Auntie.
Push me down. I thought you truly miss me.
Can I help you carry your bag?
Do you have to ask? Don't you know that you're supposed to just help me out? Ada, didn't your uncle teach you any better? It is called courtesy.
Okay, I'm sorry. Would you like to eat before you shower or the other way around? Should I?
Hold on. Are you okay? Is anything wrong with you? No, are you normal? Don't you know that you have to let me land first before this plenty talks? Ada, last time I checked, this was my boyfriend's house. So you stop treating me like a stranger here.
Okay.
Go get the bag and stop talking too much. Silly child.
Wow. What a scene too. I'm sorry, executive producer. I tried to make it as calm as it can be, but even as a director, I don't have control over this drama queen. I hope she doesn't kill me before he comes back.
I'm home.
Hey, babe.
Look who we've got here.
Yes, babe.
I missed you.
Oh, I miss you too.
Look pretty.
No, joke apart. I have really missed you.
Same here.
Right?
Yeah, sure. How are you?
I'm fine.
You looking?
I know it'll be better seeing you.
I like that line.
I know.
So,
What happened?
how?
Look, you look like you have lost a bit of weight. Have you been eating well at all?
Yeah, sure. Ada's been doing an amazing job. She's been feeding me good and healthy.
Ah.
Yeah. Would you have preferred seeing me based?
Not really though. Just that you have lost a bit of weight. No, just take a look
It's
at you.
okay. You are here right now. So you do the magic.
I will gladly do that.
Welcome back.
Eddie, how are you?
I'm good.
Are you sure you're okay? You look dull.
Oh, come on, darling. You have started again. The young girl said she's fine, so just let her be.
Excuse me. Are you okay?
I'm good. I'm fine.
Was there too much drama?
Yes, there was drama. But I'll manage. I just try and manage.
Don't worry. I'm here now, okay? I'll handle it.
Okay.
Right.
Try.
So, babe, how was your flight?
This one is in 3.
And It's quite brutal.
Yeah, it's very brutal. What do you expect when you're inviting her over?
Must Sentry be this brutal?
I think you should go and talk to your artist in the room. You know, since the director herself cannot calm her down.
Oh, okay. So, the drama is too much already. Did you make dinner?
Yes, I made back.
Okay, so go dish the food because I'm famished.
Yes, you're always famished after saving lives.
Yeah.
Those people you saved, they don't give you food, right?
It's draining.
They don't give you back.
So, dish the food whilst I talk to her, alright?
Okay, try your best.
Yeah. Don't you think it's quite disrespectful for you to walk out on me before my little cousin?
See, sometimes I doubted if you really have blood relationship with that girl. Yes, because you literally treat her like your wife.
Can you imagine what you're spewing with your mouth? You're one person are interested with the information as regarding the circumstances on how that girl walked into my life, which is very confidential, but I shared it with you, and you're here doubting it. Isn't that insane? I don't know why you hate that girl.
Because you pay more attention to her. That is my problem.
I got home from work. I saw my little sister, downcasted, dull. Walked up to her, hey, why are you so dull? Just trying to find out about her mood. How does that colorate your assumptions? How? How do you just wake up and make up things in your head and throw tantrums and accusations? How do you do it? Look, you just barely came in. And if it is drama you're going to come with, I wouldn't mind to book your flight back to Ghana.
You see that? No, did you just listen to yourself? I know it because I feel it. You don't care about me anymore. You don't love me anymore. I know it. I knew it. You don't care about me anymore. Why would you say such a thing to me?
Fine. It's okay, baby. Look, I didn't mean it that way.
I don't care anymore.
You know that's not true. I care so much about you. And I love you extravagantly, but I don't know why you're dragging your place with my daughter. She's just like my daughter. Why are you dragging your place? Your place is different from her place in my life. She would never be in your place. And you will never be hard to me. Never.
It's your fault, not mine.
Just see, look, this battle for attention. Both of you got my attention.
Really?
Yeah, you do. I don't want this negative energy around, okay? You just have to be a little more tolerant.
Who are you looking for?
I do not think it's appropriate.
You do not tell me what is appropriate to do in my house.
Your house? Ada.
Auntie Confidence.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I
And
hope-
please do have a seat.
I hope I'm not causing problem.
No, you're not. Why would you be saying that? You're not causing any problem. But you did not tell my dad that you'd be coming today.
No. Actually, I was around the neighborhood, so I felt a surprise visit wouldn't be bad.
Oh, a surprise visit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's nice.
Who is she?
Look, don't worry about her, okay? She's not the problem right now.
No, I need to be worried. That girl doesn't have a good manner of approach. Didn't you see it?
I know, but she's just my dad's friend.
Friend?
Yes.
As in girlfriend? Even if she is, she isn't a wife yet, right?
Oh, yes, that is.
She's so arrogant. Gosh. Anyway, I got something for you.
Oh, you did?
Yes, but I forgot it in the car. Maybe when I'm going, you can join me to pick it up.
Okay, that'll be nice. Well, thank you so much for the gift.
You're welcome, my
Yes.
dear.
All right, so what do I get for you? You know, juice, snacks, have anything you want?
Maybe chill water would do.
Just water.
Yeah, just water.
Okay, how about I made pepper soup, goat meat pepper soup. Don't worry, I could just get like 2 or 3 for you.
Ada, it's
anyway.
okay. Next time, I'll try your food.
Are you sure?
Trust me. Just give me water.
Okay. I'm coming.
All right.
Hello, Uncle.
Hello, my angel. Hope all is well.
All is well. Guess what? Auntie Confidence came today.
Don't say. Did Jen see her?
Of course. In fact, Auntie Jane opened the door for her when she came.
That means there is a new drama scene today.
Not really. You know, Auntie Confidence handled the whole situation with maturity, and I came in right on time.
So where is Jen now?
She should be in the room. I guess. Yes, she's in the room. She's obviously waiting for you to come back.
Yeah, she's waiting for me to start a new drama. Well, I'm not far from the house. I'll be home soon. Thanks for the information.
I got your back, always, and I really can't wait for you to marry a cool-headed and decent woman.
So, it's a no for Jen.
Yes, a capital no, like any O.
What of confidence?
I don't know. You know, I don't know her. She's still new, so I don't really know. Well, she seems like a nice person. She got me chocolate today.
Hope she isn't buying my daughter over.
Of course not. Why would she? Let me leave you to concentrate. I need to go inside now. I don't want her to see me.
Fine then. Women and their drama. Alright, I'm close to the house. Alright.
Okay, see you very soon.
Yeah, bye.
Okay. Hello, Uncle.
How are you?
Welcome.
Where is she? Where is she?
What are you talking about?
I mean, Jane.
She's in the room. I mean your room.
Okay. Oh my God. I just wish I had figured out a way to avoid this kind of drama. Honestly,
Don't worry, the Lord is with you. Do you need any?
You're worse than my first.
Do you need any backup? Like, you know, fighting, punching?
No. When I need a backup,
Okay.
I'm going to signal you.
Alright.
Copy that?
Roger that.
So I'll be inside. Be attentive.
Okay.
You know that pistol in the kitchen?
Yes.
Just reach out for me.
Should I bring a cutlass too?
No.
Okay.
Once you start hearing boom, boom, boom,
I'll break the door.
break the door because you know how distracted you'll be to lock the door.
And then
Yeah, and
start
drama because she knows
does
you're
that
around.
mean you're a weak man?
No, But you need to come in so I don't kill her.
Oh,
Your
yeah,
rescue
yes,
is for
yes,
her
yes.
sake.
It's for her sake.
You know, right?
You should go now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, bye.
You're welcome.
Oh, good evening.
Why? I'm fine. I'm good. Why were you sneaking in?
Sneaking?
Yes.
How? I thought you were asleep, so I was taking it quietly so I don't wake you.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you.
Thank you.
How was work today?
As usual, work was very tedious. There was this 76-year-old man, you needed to see him struggling with life. We had to perform a surgery on him, and it was 50% chances of survival. But he survived it.
Oh,
Like, he did.
good to hear.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
You're indeed a lifesaver.
To say that again.
Don't you think you have some explanations to make?
Explanations? How do you mean?
Obina, listen, I'm trying so hard not to lose it.
Okay, that's a good thing to do.
No, why are you being so cool? Why are you acting as if everything is fine?
But everything is fine.
How?
Is there something wrong?
Who was that lady that came looking for you today?
So that's it. She's my friend. She's confident. She's
I don't care. Whatever her name is.
Okay. She's the mother of a 7-year-old child that we saved. And ever since then, she's been grateful.
Grateful?
Yeah.
Because you are God?
Not
You talk to me. Why?
Not because I'm God, because I saved a child's life.
Ah, really? Because I'm a child and you expect me to believe that, right? You have to tell me, what really do you want from me, Obina? I don't get it. All you do in this house is make me look like a nagging woman.
But you are a nagging woman. You nag at every slightest provocation. You nag as though life comes from it. Look, I spent 8 hours in the theater, and the least I want from you is a nagging expression this night. Okay? If you don't want to believe that she is my friend and there is no strings attached to it, shove it off your eggs. I'm in the bathroom, please.
I don't blame you. No, hey, Obina, it's not your fault. I don't. I don't blame you. Rubbish. I saved her child. She's grateful to me.
Mother? You're still awake?
Yes, I just want to finish up with the dishes and clean this place so that in the morning I'll not have much work to do.
I am not comfortable with that. You're gradually stressing the hell out of yourself. You need to sleep when it's night. Do you want to become a maid in your own house?
No, not that.
Or you're here waiting for an approval?
No, with a broker again. No, come on, not.
I was just kidding. But on a very serious note, I get confused by the day. Getting married to Jane would be my early grave. You know, she never thought I could take care of her until my inheritance came.
Wait, Uncle, you really imagined your future with that auntie?
I love her a whole lot. And I've wished, anticipated, prayed for her to change, even for one bit. But I don't think change is something that comes easy with her. That is very impossible because we've spent a long time together. But then, I don't see it happening.
Look, don't worry, Uncle. Don't be confused. You'll meet a very good woman very soon. Better than Auntie Jane.
I just hope I meet her.
Of course you will.
I just hope that that day comes. Jane wasn't this troublesome. Jane was incredible. She was awesome. She was amazing.
Well, Uncle, I guess what they say is right. Time reveals the true personality of everybody.
You're right. Absolutely right.
Look, Uncle, my advice is just leave her. Let go of her if you don't see any future in what you're doing with her. Okay?
You have a very valid advice. That I will do.
Okay, what about anti-confidence?
There is something about her desperation level that gets me riled up.
You're right, but she's a nice person. At least she's better than Auntie Jane.
So was Jane a nice person at the early stage?
You're right, she might change.
I guess they're all the same. Different wines in different bottles, just depending where you're drinking from. It's time to go to bed before another drama begins. I'm telling you, Ada, go to bed. Tomorrow you do the dishes.
I'm almost done. Can't you see I already on this one? I'm just don't worry about me. Just go.
Promise?
For another drama.
Pinky promise.
Do I? Okay.
Alright, good night.
Alright, good night.
Babe.
What? Listen, I am so tired of all this nonsense. I can't take this trash anymore. You either choose me or your cousin.
It has not gotten to that.
Oh.
I just want you to be reasonable. Look, we can actually resolve this in a very mature way.
Resolve what? Huh? What about that lady that was here the other day? You can't tell me you don't have anything to do with her.
Look, I've told you times without number. I have nothing to do with her.
Really? Really?
Thank God you're here, Abba. Can you please explain to her that I have nothing to do with confidence? She wants to leave me.
Auntie Jane.
Oh, shush it. You. I don't want to hear my name in your dirty mouth. You're the cause of all this problem. You know what? I'll just leave the both of you to yourselves, okay? So do whatever you wish to do with your uncle. You can go ahead and marry him if you please, whatever.
How could you say that kind of thing?
Like I said, I don't have your time, so don't dare me.
Jane.
Get out.
Babe.
Jane. Oh, God.
Thank God.
Jesus Christ.
Somebody can have sanity in this house.
Yes, we can.
She was driving me bonkers.
What just happened? Did this two just bang the door against me?
Yes, and what the thing we should do now is to go and buy one big fat cow and buy 2 bags of yam and go to the church.
Oh, lega
He has relieved you of every burden
oh,
on your shoulders.
oh, shakaba.
And you know the best part of this whole thing?
Tell me about it.
This is weekend, so we can have quality time together with no drama added.
What's she looking for again? What? Oh, sorry.
Sorry, Auntie.
No, there's none. Please, come inside. Please, do sit down. Sorry about that.
So how are you?
I'm fine. How are you? It's been a while.
As if you care to see me.
And what makes you think that I don't care?
I know so. By the way, were you not told I was here a few days ago to see you?
Look, my bad. I am so sorry. I had decided I was going to return your calls, maybe seek out to see you, but you've been to my workplace. You know how tedious it is.
But still, you didn't call. That's to show you don't care about me.
I don't know who is putting all these ideas into your head and giving you this perspective. No. All right. I have an idea on how to make it right. What about you, me, and have an evening cruise, like we drive around the city, and I think it will be quite refreshing. What do you think?
Wow, that isn't bad at all. But don't you think we should make it between us? Look, I don't have a problem with Ada. She's a fantastic kid and I love her passionately. But I'll still suggest we make this our car date.
Car date? Never heard of that before. Don't think.
That means you're seeing the latest venture in town.
Oh shit, Vento. All right, let's do it.
Welcome, Uncle. Hi.
How are you, Ada?
I'm very fine, Ma.
Beautiful, Ada.
Thank you, Ma.
Okay, it's actually late, and Confidence will be spending the night here.
Alright, then I should get the guest room ready.
Ada, come on. I don't think where I'm going to sleep in this house should be a problem. Go back to bed. I'll take care of myself.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Good night.
Good night.
Sweet dreams. Yeah, good. Sure. Got you.
Wait, is she really your cousin?
Why do you ask?
Well, it seems you take permission from her before you can do anything.
You're probably the most funniest person ever in the world. What are you talking about? Why are you even thinking in that direction? This is a child that is responsible to me. Her trust system is totally dependent on my behavioral expression. Do you understand that? That children learn by observation. So I have to behave in a responsible manner. By so doing, she will learn. I'm teaching her accountability, nothing more. So tomorrow, she would know how to be accountable to me, to her peers, to her kids.
Fine.
Do you understand? We were just irresponsible, came back late. The least I could do is just let her know
Doctor!
you're sleeping. Oh,
Oh,
sure.
Obinna. It's okay. See, I am tired, okay? Why not just show me your room?
All right. When you go straight, the first door by your right, luxuriate on my very, very succulent mattress.
Please don't keep me waiting.
I don't know about that. Bye-bye.
What's that about? Why would you bring her into this house by this time of the night?
Look, why would you say that? But it's late.
What? Where would she sleep? She said she didn't want to sleep in the guest room. Where do you want her to sleep? In the parlor?
Hey, look, she's in my room.
What?
I can sleep in your room. Or better still in the living room. Okay?
It doesn't matter. Why did you bring her into
But
this
the
house?
thing is she's late. Her safety first. What if something happens to her while she's going home? The police will come knocking. I'm the last person she's with. So wisdom is profitable to direct, and you know how you have to put humanity first. So her safety is very important. It doesn't matter if she sleeps here, it doesn't really matter. Right?
Yeah, whatever. Just
Hey, Ada, come. No matter the age, women are all the same. All right, I'm gonna handle it well.
What are you doing?
Actually, I want to get a condom.
What? You want to get a condom?
Yeah.
You want to use condom on me? Obina!
How is it a bad idea?
Are you insinuating that I have a disease or what?
No, nobody's insinuating anything, but I am a medical doctor. I preach that people should have protected sex. I'm just practicing what I preach.
Obina, I am clean. If you must know, I am clean. So I want to have you without a condom.
I don't think that is wise, in as much as we are highly being riled up by emotions and all of that, but then it's not the right thing to do.
Fine. It's fine.
But you don't even...
I said it's fine. Please, you can just show me the way to the guest house. I don't think I want to sleep here with you.
Uncle.
Yeah, sweetheart.
I want to speak with you.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am. Why do you ask?
Nothing. I was hearing voices last night, more like there was an argument going on.
I just had a minor argument with Confidence.
Oh.
Yeah, sure. It's nothing.
Uncle, don't you think it's too early for her to start raising her voice on you?
Hey, you don't have to worry about it. Things happen for different reasons. And I think if it's early, then it's beautiful, which will help me in decision making, okay? So, last night, she slept at the guest room.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
I told you, but you wouldn't have it. I told you to relax.
Okay.
So she slept at the guest room. She's still sleeping. When she's leaving,
okay,
you open your eyes.
All right.
Right? Be watchful. Let me go save some lives. Take care of yourself.
All right. You
Eat
too.
something.
I will. Good morning, Auntie.
Good morning. Has your uncle left?
Yes, he left this morning. He had an emergency at the hospital, so he decided to run along. Hope you had a good night rest.
How could I have had a good night's rest when you are still here?
I don't understand what you mean by when I'm here. I don't understand.
Don't worry. You will soon understand. I thought I should have gone through process with him. At least for the life of my son he saved. But from all indication, he's a very stubborn man. And we will do it in a rugged way.
Rugged? What are you saying exactly? I don't still understand what you're saying. Can you explain more?
Never mind. The reality will be done on us all. Enough of this. Can you fix me something light to eat?
Something like... What do you want? Rice? Beans? What do you want me to...
What? What did I hear you mention? Rice. Is rice a light food?
I was just asking what you would like to eat so that I can make...
You know what? Never mind. Let me fix something for myself. Excuse me.
I'll just help you with whatever you're doing.
Can you just leave my space? I love my space. Can you just get out? I said leave my space. Let me make something for myself. You don't know what is light. Stupid girl. You are the cause of all this. Oh, darling, you're
What are you still doing here?
Were you expecting me to have gone?
Yes.
See, I'm sorry for what happened yesterday. I am not a bad person. I guess I couldn't control my temper.
I was highly disappointed last night. I never knew you could be this virulent. Why? Because I demanded to use protections on you.
And
That is really despicable.
Okay. I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay? Okay, I'm going to make it up to you. I am not a bad person. I'm a sweet soul.
You really need to convince me on that because I'm really scared.
I'm sorry. Look at how you're even sweating. Why are you sweating like this?
Oh, sweetheart. You look very pretty.
Thank you.
My love. You said I'm sweating.
Yeah, profusely. Yes, you are.
That's a sweat of love. I missed you.
Uncle. Good evening, sir.
And who invited you here? My friend, will get out from here. Huh? I said get out!
Did you not hear my love? My love said you should get out of this place.
Uncle.
Who is your uncle? Look at this one. Are you normal? Before I forget my fingers on your face, get out from here.
Didn't you hear?
Get out, you're very stupid and foolish.
Stupid girl.
Very stupid and nonsensical idiot. I will forget my hands on your face.
Baby, don't worry.
Look at that one. Get lost. Idiot.
My love.
Sweetheart.
Let me take you to the room. So you show me what you have.
Oh, shit.
And what are you still doing here? My friend, look, get out from here. I said, take your stupid body out of here.
Did you not hear my love? She said you should get out. Do as she said. Get out.
Baby,
Yes, love.
you're the one spoiling this girl. Look at the way you're even painting words with her. You need to be bold and harsh on her.
Should I be harsh?
Of course, you need to be bold and harsh on her.
Just say be harsh.
Just be harsh.
Before the count of 3, you get inside the kitchen and go and clean the place. Mop everywhere. Use your tongue and lick it up. In fact, after that, bring out the bag of rice and count how many pieces of rice are inside here. I want every grain counted. Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
But this is certainly not you.
Can you imagine this idiot?
Hey.
Stand up and get out! Move! Can you imagine this silly girl?
Now you're acting like a man.
Yeah, baby.
It's as if this little thing has been the one controlling all
How
this
can this brat control me? You're the one in charge, baby girl. Anything you say, I would do. What can I do for you?
Baby,
my
slow
love.
down.
Oh,
You're still sweating.
shut up, Anna. This handkerchief is made from heaven.
Of course.
Each time I come in contact, my life never remains the same. I love you extraordinaire.
Oh my God.
Where have you been all my life?
I've been here just that you didn't notice.
Oh, shh. Oh, forgive me for the days that I did not notice you. Oh, Lord, please help my baby touch her heart to forgive me.
It's okay. See, baby.
Baby, yeah.
I need you to help me do something.
Anything you say, just say it, I will do.
As I love you. I have some panties I soaked. You know, because of how you always...
You don't have to say anything. The panties, I should go and watch them.
Of course.
What more? And there are slippers, your slippers outside that you used the other day. Should I also watch them?
Oh, baby. I love
but
you.
wait, baby. Why did you soak the panties? No, you shouldn't have soaked them. You know, I like to smell them first of all.
Baby, it's okay. Just go.
I like to smell.
Go, baby.
You know, when you remove it, I smell it. It gives me... It gives me adrenaline.
Just go.
Yes, my love. Anything, I'm cool.
And please, concentrate on the middle part.
Oh, my favorite part.
Aww.
Oh.
Useless man. By the time I'm done with you, you will know that I'm not called confidence for nothing. Rubbish.
Please, ma. I don't know even what I did to you, but if I offended you in any way, please forgive me.
Ada.
If my uncle offended you, just forgive him too. Please give him back his senses. I don't know what you did to him. Just undo it.
Ada, I've not sent you packing due to a particular reason. But do not make me do that now. Get up and leave. I am not God that you should be kneeling down for.
Auntie, but you said my uncle saved your son's life. Is this how you want to pay him back? Is this how you...
Firstly, we are not supposed to be discussing this. Okay? And for the record, your uncle did a job that he was paid to do. Not as if he did it for free. You know what? You're getting me agitated with all this plenty talk. Just get up and leave here now. Else, I will go in there and bring your uncle to come and push you out of here.
No,
Don't try me. You know I can do it.
Don't tell him to push me out. I don't have any other relative apart from here. I don't know where else to go. Please, just forgive me.
Yeah, it's okay.
Noted.
I'm not gonna push you out. Can you please get up and leave? Okay? Just go! Wait a second. Wait. And don't worry. When you grow much older, you understand that life is military. You're just a kid. Just go. Just go. Just go.
You can never change. You can never change. You can never change, Jesus. You can never change. You can. God. You can never change, Jesus, the same forever. Father God Almighty, please. Please take control. Take control in my uncle's life. I don't know what is happening. I can't explain what that auntie has done. But please. Please, Lord.
Is that not Ada's voice that I'm hearing?
She's the one, of course. That girl, she has been disturbing me since yesterday.
Could you imagine? This is disturbing my peace. And it's causing environmental nuisance.
No. I think I'm done. Like, I can't take this anymore.
Right?
That girl, she needs to leave this house right now.
Oh, baby, no. I think you need to think about where are you going to throw her to? She knows nobody, right? Just accommodate her a little. Please, my love. Please.
Baby.
Yes, love.
Why are you talking like this?
I'm just saying that if you throw her outside right now, where's she going to go to?
Baby, remember that anything your love wants, she gets.
Yes, anything you want, you get. There is no dispute. How can I challenge you? But I'm just saying, we need to be logical, right? Because if you throw her outside now and something happens to her, the police, she's still a teenager. The police will come and arrest us.
Okay, let's see how logical you can be.
Baby, my love. One more push.
Baby.
So this is who you are. I want to throw my little angel out of my house after I saved your son. 1 inch close to her, I will put you down like a stray dog. I'll cut your tongue. I'll shove it off your nose. I will slice you like bread. You don't dare. Do you understand?
what is going on? What is happening? Calm down. Baby, look at how you're sweating.
No need for
You need
those.
to leave this house.
Look. No need for those incantations of yours. We've been enjoying your interesting but emotional story and movie too. You're a very wicked person, Auntie. Oh, you think you truly hypnotized my uncle, right? For your information, I'm a small girl, yes, but I'm way smarter than you. I knew every of your plans. And guess what? I frustrated each of them.
I don't even know what is going on. What is she even saying? Babe, I don't even...
I am shocked and so disappointed. I can't imagine and fathom what this little girl did to you. She's so innocent, so young, but you hate her so much with every venom in you.
Stop your...
Do you realize that this is my mother?
What? Your mother? See, okay. See, I was only joking. Okay, I didn't mean all of this.
But you wanted to throw me out of this house. You even pushed me.
No,
Miss Confidence, you're very wicked. You're a very wicked person and you're heartless.
Very wicked.
And for your information, I overheard everything you said with your best friend, Angela.
What?
Yes, Angela.
Hi, baby girl. What's up now? Really? You're missing me? I miss you too. Don't worry. Very soon you will see me. Hmm? Ah, my dear. I'm still on this battle. See, Angela, I had wanted that guy to fall naturally for me. But since he's proving stubborn, man, I think I would need to use our magic handkerchief on him. You know now. Yeah. We had some little issues last night. But don't worry. Very soon, I'm going to use that magic handkerchief on him. Soon, I will use it on him. Yes, so, here. By the way I kept it is very safe. In fact, it's inside our room. I just hid it one place. You trust now. I won't lose guard. That one. The little winch is inside. So, babe, I will so deal with that girl. In fact, I feel like strangling that girl. She's just everywhere. Okay, baby girl, trust me. I will pin him down. All right. Oh, don't miss me much. Take care. Bye. Oh.
So you see, I just wanted to act the movie with you so that you feel among. I and my uncle planned it. Though the movie was very stressful to act because there was a lot of things in it. But we did it.
No, this can't be true.
But what? I know you're wondering that I slept with you without protections. Maybe by then, I must have been enchanted by your charm.
Yes.
Right? Okay, let me give you an example. This expo is that I called your blood. You know there is a blood record in my hospital for you when you donated your blood to your child.
Hey.
So I called the sample and I examined that you were clear of every infection. So I was doing the do just to promote your ignorance in diabolism.
Hey, Jesus.
Stop calling that innocent entity. He was never part of your shenanigans. Look, your end game was to get pregnant for me and find a way and move into my life so you'll be able to squander my future. But you know, they say, you forgot that I'm a medical doctor. I can actually sleep with you for 1 whole year without getting pregnant. The way there is a contraception for women, there is also for men. Right? So foolish you, stupid you, crocodile tearing you should go inside there. Right? Pack your filthy things. You see that door? That is your destination.
Now you need to be quick about this. Don't let me come by force.
Ada, you also chasing me out.
But you wanted to chase me out just a few minutes ago. Have you forgotten? Or you have lots of memory, like you don't remember things. After 2 minutes, you forget them. And lest I forget, I burnt your magic handkerchief. So you can as well go to the shrine where you brought the one from.
You did what?
I said I burnt your magic handkerchief.
Ah! Ah!
So
Yes.
by next week, you might be mad on the street.
Oh God!
Wait, let me warn you.
You actually be a great internet sensation, being mad on the street.
Let me tell you, you need to go and look for another one in the shrine you brought that one from. And then you look for another uncle. Use it.
That's if she's not
Definitely
mad
not
by
my
then.
And then you're just taking off. Let me see you understand. You go understand.
The crocodile tears wouldn't work.
After all, I acted with the crocodile tears. I cried it all. And you believe me. You're like, blah, 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 military.
So sorry for how I treated
It's fine. Why are you sorry? We're only acting a movie. And guess what?
Tell me about it.
I acted as an actor and a director.
This way. You did a great job.
Yes, and this movie will really be a good one. People are going to love it. Desperate Chick, right?
That's the title, right?
That's the title.
Desperate Chick.
Desperate. And I think Auntie Confidence will be the lead role.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's the blockbuster.
Yeah. She's a witch.
You know we can trust her.
Yeah.
Right? So I need to go put on her.
Okay.
Great.
I'll sit here and look at the door in case she has any other plans.